Managerial skills can be imparted most effectively through practical events. And in our distance learning hybrid programs, we provide a number of valued events to students. They are invited to participate in full day workshops. Further, every quarter we invite them for a lot of outdoor activities like spiritual visits, rural economy visits, leadership trek to Himalaya. This number of activities help them to build their self-confidence, develop soft skills, as well as an excellent opportunity to network with large number of professionals from number of different batches.
Wonderful session where we are talking about financial planning for a specific person's life. As we say, life is more important, so we talk about return on life concept than return on investment.
Hello, I'm Abhishek Kotak. I'm student of July 2022 batch. I'm planning for my specialization in operation. Financial life planning was a wonderful session and I strongly recommend this session. There are many takeaways from this session, but the three things which I strongly recommend is the life planning along with your financial goal. Then the second is time value of money, which is mandatory in today's world.